Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are FinSquad consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. Today is lecture number 8. Today's lecture is very simple and I'm going to teach you about cells. In previous lectures, we have already discussed the clipboard, font, alignment, number, and styles. In today's lecture, I'm going to tell you about these three options: insert, delete, format. These are very simple options, so this lecture would not be very difficult for you to understand. I'm going to start with insert. Alright, I'm going to show you the options: insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, and insert sheet. I'm going to start with insert cells. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to select this option, insert cells, and I'm going to select the first option, shift cells right. Let's shift the cell to right. Similarly, I'm going to click this option and select the by default option, shift cells down, and click OK. It will shift the cells down. Now, onto the third option, the entire row. It will shift the entire row down. Now onto the fourth option, entire column. It will shift the entire column to the right. Alright, now I'm going to move on to insert sheet rows. If you click this, you can insert a sheet row. You can select number of rows and click this option. It will insert the number of rows you selected above. Similarly, there's another option here, insert sheet columns. If you click it, it will insert the sheet columns. And now I'm going to click this option. You're going to see the last option is insert sheet. If you click this option, it will insert a new sheet here, as you can see. Now I'm going to move on to the delete option. I'm going to adjust this for me just a second. Alright, now the delete options have delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet column, delete sheet. It is the opposite of insert option. Let me show you one. Let me select this delete sheet. You see it deleted the sheet number 2-1. For your ease, let me just simply place numbers here with formulas, and now I'll select this option again. You see the number 2-1 has been deleted. I will undo it. I will select this option, delete sheet columns, and the days option is gone. The column is gone. Now, similarly, if you click this delete cells, it has the same option as the insert. I don't think so. I need to go with them. If you understood the insert option, these are more or less the same, just the opposite reaction. Now, if I click the delete sheet, it will delete the entire sheet. For example, if I come into this sheet, I select this option, click this, it will delete the entire sheet. You see, it's gone. Now I'm on to the third thing, format. It has many options: row height, autofill row height, column width, autofit column width, default width, hide and unhide, rename, move a copy, tab color, protect sheet, format cells. Now I'm going to start with the row height. This is the row. If I click it, its height is 14.4. If I change this to, for example, 18, the height has been increased to 18. Now the second option is autofit row height. For example, if you write something in a row and it's not shown properly here, just click this button, select this option, and it will automatically adjust it. Now moving on to columns, the column width is 8.33. I'll change this to 18. You see the column width has increased. Now if I want to automatically adjust the column width, you see it's not shown here, and if you click this option, it will auto fit the column width according to the particular number or alphabet placed here. If I click this number 1 and I click this option autofit column width, you see it will adjust the column according to this alphabets. Now I'm going to go with another option, the default width. It is a default width that has been set in the Excel 8.1. When you can change it to anyone, whenever you open a sheet, it will be those standard column widths. For example, if I change it to 10, you see the all column widths have changed to 10. I'll undo it. I'll show you another option, hide and unhide. You can hide the rows. For example, this row is selected, number 1, and if you click this option, hide rows, it will hide this row. Similarly, if you click this option, hide columns, it will hide the columns. Now, if you click the option, hide sheet, it will click the entire sheet. I'm not going to select it, but I hope you understand it. Now, similarly, I can unhide the rows. Before it, I should unhide the columns. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know what's wrong here. This is the unhide of columns, and similarly, you can unhide the rows. You see, this is the option here, and if you click here, you have to select all the row, come on this button, and unhide the rows. I don't know why it's not working. You have to select the row between 4 and 6. For example, this. Unhide it. You see, now it's unhidden. Similarly, if a column is hidden, for example, a column, if you hide a column, you have to select the columns in between. You have to go to this option and you have to unhide the columns. Alright. Now I'm going to move to the next option, and which is rename sheet. If you click it, you can rename the sheet name. For example, I will rename to it lecture 9. Now the other option is move or copy sheet. It has so many options. For example, if you click it, you can move the sheet to a new book. There needs to be, oh, just a second. I'll show you the other options first. If you move the sheet, you can, first of all, you can create a copy. You see, you can create a copy and let it move to the end. Alright, you can now, you see, because the columns and the rows were unselected at that time. Now I've clicked this option. You see, there's a new book open now. Right? If you can save this new book because it's unsaved. You can close it. I'll show you this option: save, don't save, cancel. I click don't save because I've already have in Word. So now I'll move into next option, which is the tab color. You can allow tab to any color. For example, if I select this oranges, you see the tab color is changed to orange. Now I'll move to the next option, which is protect sheet. You can password anything which you want, you know, to protect the sheet. 1 2 3 4 5, for example. I'm putting the password. Re-enter the password. You see, the sheet is locked. You can't do anything. Now unlock it, go to unprotect sheet, enter the password again, and unlock the sheet. Now similarly, the lock cell is the same. The format cell will give you those options which you've seen before: number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. You can do this for all these cells. Now thank you so much. This is today's lecture. I hope it's really fruitful for you. If you like our lecture, kindly like, subscribe and share our page. Thank you so much.